What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Solana, sitting at $93, down 3.4 on the day. C market cap 41 billion, 24 volume 1.65 billion. So we broke this local low, which means that we are going through a WXY correction and putting in a deeper wave 2 pullback. So our bounce zone, decent chance we at least come down to the golden ratio at 89.53. Our bounce zone is in between the 50% and the 78.6 Fibonacci levels for the wave 2, and that could offer another entry to ride it up in the big juicy wave 3. I may take an entry for Sol in this zone. A signal will be given in the Discord for $10 a month. We have multiple ongoing trades right now. And yeah, so we're just going to look at the daily. We have the left shoulder, the head. We put a nice wave 1 up. WXY correction. And pulling back in the wave 2 to the normal target zone before continuation up in the wave 3, putting in that right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, continue back to the upside, break the neckline and see continuation up in the wave 3. So I will potentially be looking for an entry in this zone. A signal will be given in the Discord. I do think we could create a lower low, but if I were to see a good enough reaction, I might take an entry. But just looking at BTC, depending on if we break that wedge to the downside, then we may create one more lower low for Solana, and that could offer a good entry. We're in multiple trades: Gala Games, XRP, ADA, Matic, VeChain. It's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. You spend $10 every single day. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Check out my full link tutorial. It's pinned at the end of the video. And yeah, $10 a month for my signals, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals. We're in multiple Forex trades, which are in profits, and we're in multiple crypto trades as well. All for $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Make sure to check out BITUNIX. Sign up over there as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care.